Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.